Wait, someone's where?
Literally just walk past. See, I'm telling you, there's a fucking bird.
Somebody's there.
Look down there.
What is it?
He's one on the tree. Oh, what the frick?
Oh, there is someone there. There's someone down there. What?
Can we please fucking go?
The last place you want to be is at a cemetery at night when 4 random guys show up with you. That is exactly what happened to me and my friends, continuing off the last Randonautica episode. If you haven't seen that one, be sure to check it out before you check out this one. Anyways, things just got interesting right off the start as we were trying to get a new Randonautica and a new location for a brand new adventure. Anyways, you guys will just have to see what happened. Think of spooky things in the graveyard. We got a spot? Well, I didn't think we'd get one in the graveyard. I just meant a spot around here. Alright, we got one in the middle of a big bushland. We're gonna see if we can get to it. See where the road takes us, or the Randonautica takes us, I suppose. Wait, someone's where?
Literally just walk past. See, I'm telling you, there's a fucking bird.
Somebody's there.
Look down there.
What is it?
He's one on the tree. Oh, what the frick?
Oh, there is someone there. There's someone down there. What?
What the fuck? Can we please fucking go?
Let's go then. I see. So guys just showed up here at the cemetery. Oh, he's parking too.
Do we want to go?
Yes,
Well.
please.
Will's been ready to go for a while. Oh wait, no, they're backing up. Hold up. They might be turning around. I don't know.
They would have just done it down there.
I don't know what they're doing.
Just go, I reckon. Are they gonna... No, they're reverse parking. Just go.
Yeah, no, stuff that. Stuff this.
Why did someone just pull into the...
They're probably thinking, why are we here?
Why are you here?
I'll be honest, I'm not scared of spirits, I'm scared of
They're
people.
probably staring too. What's up?
Who even are they?
That's a lot of people too.
Yeah, let's go. Bye-bye. Bye, guys. Bye.
What the heck?
Wait, I'm so confused. Who are they?
I have no idea.
Is it like men, women?
There's like a full car full of men.
Full of men.
Yeah.
Full of big...
A full car full of men is not what I like to hear at night. I don't like a car full of men. Goodbye, men. I do not like you. Screw you, men. I hope they don't follow us now.
Oh, just...
We'll keep an eye out. Keep an eye out.
If they do.
Yeah, honestly. Yeah. That was a pretty weird experience, I'm not gonna lie.
I'm more scared of people, I think.
Yeah, I'm honestly, spirits don't scare me, it's the people, man. Especially when there's 4 big hairy men showing up. Like, man, what do they want? That was so random. Like, why'd they just show up and park like that?
Going slow, and then I was like, oh, I saw the turn, the indicator.
Yeah, I saw them like turn in and I was like,
Here we go.
I was like, I don't know, man, what's going on? And I thought maybe they're turning around and then they were parked and I'm like, and then you said there's 4 big men in there and I'm like, oh,
Like,
that sounds cheery.
maybe you're not meant to explore this place. Maybe they're just doing what we're doing, but I doubt it.
I don't know, man. 4 big men is not what I like to hear.
In the car, sort of staring.
Oh, there's some nice lights down there. Yeah, I don't like...
Oh yes, I love being bold.
Oh yeah, sorry about that. Wait, is this... Oh, sweet, okay.
Wait, what's this?
Cool, hopefully there's no 4 big hairy guys here. That's not something I want to fight against. I'm not leveled up enough for that. Okay, there's like a fence down there, so I don't know if we're going to be able to get to it. Okay, that's the big spooky zone apparently. Apparently it leads somewhere. Hopefully it's not 4 hairy men. Alright, everyone else is tired. I'm on a solo mission, so... Pray that there's no 4 hairy men down here, I guess. That's the best I can think of. Bonus torch, though. Let's see, can we even get through here? I think we might be able to this way. You can tell it's been raining here. It's quite wet. Bushland Reserve, yeah, we're good to go. Let's see what happens. They're just waiting at the car. Me? Yeah, I don't know. We're going somewhere. Let's do this. I don't like all this long grass, I'm not gonna lie, guys. It's a little sketch. Especially some in thongs. Oh wow, look at the spider. I really hope that car that was at the cemetery doesn't show up while they're here, because that could be all sorts of problems. This is so weird. Dang, it's quite far in too. Oh, look at that guy. Oh, the spiders. Finding a way through, quite difficult. Oh, there's grass crawling up my leg. Intriguing, a big tree. Okay. Ooh. I hope I'm not getting chased through here, because it ain't looking good for me. Dang, this is a lot further in than I anticipated. And it's very thick. Dang, how am I even getting in there? That's like... I am not dressed for this, you know what I'm saying? This is kind of rough. And I'm not even close, apparently. Oh wait, look at all the sticks bundled up here. That seems intentional. Okay, we might be able to get through here. I just heard them start the car. And I have my partner's phone. So, I mean, all things considered, if those people show up, I would... What was that? Rather they drove off. Then... Hopefully they just got the car on for air conditioner. Just a little concerning. God, this is so thick. It's like a jungle in here. I'm not even close, man. What the heck? Okay, well, if Fleeman will have their phones, they can still message. I hope. It kind of sounds like they're driving off. No, 100%. That sounds like they're driving off. Okay, yeah, I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm realistically getting through here. I don't know if I should abort mission right now, guys. What is going on? Yeah, you know what? Oh, what the... I've never seen a cockroach in the wild like that. Yeah, I'm way far off from this, guys, and I'm kind of worried about that whole situation from the cemetery. I think I might abort mission on this one, guys. I might have to call this one in. We might just need to get out of here. It's late, and I have an off feeling about those people from the cemetery, you know. I think we're going to call it. This seems intentional, though, I will say. There's no way these all fell like that. Yeah, I don't like... I'm trying to, like, look through, see what's going on. God. I can't... Oh no, maybe the car is still there. It's not hit any of these big spiders. Is the car there? Okay, I think the car's still there. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting through here anyway, guys. It's way too overgrown. Yo! Yeah, this is what I'm having to try walk through, guys. It's not working out. And I don't trust those cemetery men. Those people at the bird incident was something, but something tells me this is something we should get out of here. Ugh, it's so wet. Yo, why am I locked out? You don't want me... I couldn't get to it, it's way too overgrown. I'd need shoes and long pants. And also, I thought I heard the car turn on.
I
Like,
was There was one.
No, that was another car.
Oh, I was like, are you guys driving off without me? I was like worried the 4 guys showed up.
We thought that's what it was. So
I hope the 4 guys don't show up. 4 guys don't good. 4 big guys.
4 big guys. Grab on my thighs.
Alright, well, we might have to call it for tonight here.
That's pretty interesting.
Yeah, that's a pretty interesting night though. You know?
Very interesting.
4 guys, crazy stuff.
The guy walked past too.
Oh wait, did somebody walk past while you're parked here?
No, I mean, we were back up there.
Oh right, yeah, that guy. Yeah, the guy that was like, he might just be going for a midnight stroll. Honestly, it's not that guy I was too fussed about, but those 4 guys who pulled up, that was definitely weird. That was a weird thing. Well, I guess we survived. I guess that's the important thing. That was odd. I don't know what to think about the 4 guys. 4 hairy guys usually means bad news. You see 4 hairy guys, you probably don't want to be near them, especially at midnight in a cemetery. We just drove past a weird person staring at a house on the side of the road in like a hood kind of thing. Yeah, like midnight. Yeah, it's definitely strange. Oh, there's another cat. This is like spooky territory and cat territory.
Is that, okay, I done now. I go home.
Okay.
I done now. I go home now.
What a spooky night that ended up being. Not that it was spiritful, but it was human, hairy menful, I guess. What, those 4 big hairy men, apparently. Scariest thing there is. More scary than spirits, if you ask me. And that was that. This video was meant to be a lot more than what it was, but with just the way the events took, and we were just all a little spooked after the 4 guys showing up. Look, the way I see it is, we were parked in the cemetery, you couldn't see us. They were coming there without knowing we were there, so they were already going there to do who knows what. There were 4 men, so who knows what they were doing in the graveyard. But yeah, it's just a bit weird, and then they saw us there, and they would not stop looking at us. They were just dead watching us, so we just got out of there, and overall it was just a bit of a weird night. I wanted to do at least 2 randonauticas, but at this point it was midnight, everyone was tired, and we decided it was just best to head off home, so didn't get to do as much this episode as I wanted, but we did get some spooky encounters, once again by people, and yeah, hopefully the next one is full of a lot more adventures, so if you want to see it, let me know in the comments, and yeah, hopefully we see you in the next episode.